Good afternoon, sir. This is Farooq from Integrated MTech. Now I am going to discuss about any five biometric modalities, and I am going to discuss about first one is fingerprint recognition system. It is the most known and used biometric solution to authenticate people on biometric systems. The reason for it is so popular because there are 10 available sources of biometric and ease of acquisition. Every person has a unique fingerprint, which is composed of ridges, grooves, and direction of the lines. There are three basic patterns of ridges, namely arc, loop, and hole, as we know. The uniqueness of fingerprint is determined by these features as well as minute features such as bifurcation and spots. Fingerprint is also one of the oldest and most popular recognition technique. Fingerprint matching can be performed by the following methods, as we know, like miniature-based techniques, correlation-based method, pattern-based matching. The merits of the fingerprint recognition system are it is most contemporary method. It is the most economical method, and it is highly reliable and secure. And demerits of the system are scarce cuts or absence of finger can hinder this process. The systems can be fooled by using artificial finger made of wax also. Also, it involves physical contact with the system. Applications of a fingerprint recognition system are border control, visa issuance, access control in organizations. Facial recognition system. Facial recognition system is based on determining shape and size of jaw, chin shape, location of the eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and cheekbones. 2D facial scanners start reading face and geometry and recording on the grid. The facial geometry is transferred to the database in terms of points. The comparison algorithms perform face matching and come up with the results. Facial recognition is performed in the following ways like facial metrics, iron faces, skin texture analysis. Merits of the system are it offers easy storage of templates in the database. It reduces statistic complexities to recognize face image. It involves no physical contact with the system. Demerits are facial traits change over time. And uniqueness is not guaranteed. For example, in case of identical twins, if a candidate face shows different expressions such as light smile, then it can affect the result. It requires adequate lighting to get correct input. Applications of the system are like human computer interaction, criminal identification, verification for access control, etc. Third one is iris recognition system. Iris recognition works on the basis of iris pattern in human eye. The iris is a pigmented elastic tissue that has adjustable circular opening in center. It also controls the diameter of the pupil. In adult humans, the texture of iris is stable throughout their lives. The iris patterns of left and right are different. The iris patterns and color change from person to person due to pigments. It involves taking the picture of iris with a capable camera, that is with a low pixel camera, storing it and comparing the same with the candidate eyes using mathematical algorithms. Merits of iris recognition system are it is a highly accurate, like it can identify one the chance of mismatching two irises in 1 in 10 billion people. It is highly scalable as a iris pattern remains same throughout a person's lifetime. It involves no physical contact with the system. It provides instant verification, that is 2 to 5 seconds, because of its small template size. Demerits of the system are iris scanners are so expensive, high quality images can fool the scanner. A person is required to keep his or her head very still for accurate scanning. Applications of this system are national security and identity cards such as Aadhaar card in India. Google uses iris recognition for accessing their data centers. The fourth one is DNA recognition system. Deoxynucleic acid. It is the generic material found in humans. Every human bearing identical twins is uniquely identifiable by the traits found in the DNA, which is located in the nucleus of the cell. There are a number of sources from which DNA patterns can be collected, such as blood, saliva, nails, hair, etc. Within cells, DNA is organized in long double helix structure called chromosomes. There are 23 pair of chromosomes in human. Out of the total 46 chromosomes, the offspring inherits 23 chromosomes from each biological parent. 99.7% of an offspring's DNA is shared with their parents. The remaining 0.3% DNA contains repetitive coding unique to an individual. The basic steps in DNA recognition is separating the DNA from the sample acquired from the either bed or saliva, hair, or semen tissue. Then separating the DNA sample into shorter segments and then organizing the DNA segments according to size. And next, and the last method is comparing the DNA segments from various samples. The more detailed the sample is, the more precise the comparison and in turn identification of the individual is. Merits of the DNA recognition system is it provides highest accuracy. Demerits of the system is length of procedure from sample acquisition to result is large. Being more informative, it brings privacy issues and etc. Applications of DNA recognition system are it is mainly used to prove guilt or innocence. It is used in physical and network security. Gait recognition and the last recognition I'm going to explain. Gait is a manner of a person's walking. People show different traits while walking, such as body posture, distance between 2 feet while walking, swaying, etc., which help to recognize them uniquely. A gait recognition based on analyzing the video images of candidates walk. A sample of candidates walk cycle is recorded by the video. And then the sample is analyzed for position of joints such as knees and ankles and the angles between them while walking. A respective mathematical model is created and used for every candidate and stored in the database. At the time of verification, this model is compared with the live sample of the candidate walk to determine its identity. Merits of the system are it is non-invasive, it does not need the candidate's cooperation as it can be used from a distance. Demerits are for this biometric technique, no model is developed with complete accuracy till now. It may not be as reliable as other established biometric techniques, and the application of gait recognition system is it is well suited for identifying criminals in the crime scenario. And thank you, sir.